Hey, DIYers and plumbing enthusiasts. Welcome back to Amazing Tools and Technology Update, where we bring you the best tools and tips for all your plumbing needs. Today, we've got an exciting lineup of must-have plumbing tools that will make your projects a breeze. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, let's get started with our top 10 plumbing tools. Number 1. The Think Pro 6-piece pipe extractor set, priced at $69.99, offers a reliable solution for effortlessly removing broken or damaged threaded ends of pipes. Constructed from tough steel, these spark-free extractors ensure durability and reliable performance in pipe repair tasks. Covering sizes from 1/8 to 1-inch pipe, including 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 3/4, and 1-inch pipe, the set caters to both DIY enthusiasts and professional plumbers dealing with various pipe dimensions. Clear markings on the extractors simplify the process of determining the required drill size for removing solid ends of plugs and fittings. The set also includes a solid storage case for convenient tool storage and portability. Crafted with toughness in mind, the Think Pro extractors are built to withstand demanding applications, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. Upgrade your toolkit with this high-quality pipe extractor set to experience efficient and frustration-free pipe repairs. The Think Pro 6-piece pipe extractor set provides a comprehensive solution, bringing versatility and reliability to your plumbing projects, making it a confident choice for handling a wide range of pipe repair tasks. Number 2. The Rigid 41935 Model 700 Handheld 120-Volt Power Drive, priced at $1,430.99, is a compact yet powerful tool designed for demanding pipe and conduit threading applications. Ideal for tight spaces, it caters to the needs of mechanical, electrical, and plumbing contractors seeking heavy-duty performance. This handheld 120-volt pipe threader effortlessly cuts both right and left-hand threads in seconds and can power rigid 258 and 258 XL power pipe cutters for added versatility. With an accommodating 1/8-inch to 2-inch pipe capacity and 1/4-inch to 1-inch bolt threads, it supports various applications. The tool's rugged construction, featuring a durable cast aluminum housing, a heavy-duty switch, and robust components, ensures its resilience to daily and heavy-duty use, promising a long-lasting tool life. For contractors prioritizing reliability and versatility in threading applications, the Rigid 41935 Model 700 stands as a formidable and efficient choice. Number 3. The Fkns Hydraulic Pipe Bender, priced at $149.36, is a powerful and efficient tool for bending copper pipes. Constructed with high-quality steel, it boasts a compact design, smooth appearance, and exceptional durability, supporting a maximum weight of 12 tons. The hydraulic system, coupled with a return spring system, enhances efficiency, ensuring seamless completion of bending tasks. Equipped with 6 precision casting dies ranging from 1/2 to 2 inches, along with 6 adjustable roller levels, this pipe bender offers versatility to meet various bending angle requirements. With the ability to bend pipes within 90 to 180 degrees, it significantly reduces workload and enhances work efficiency, making it suitable for industries like construction, chemical, plumbing, petroleum, mining, and shipbuilding. The unique design features a vinyl material upper end on the hydraulic rod for comfortable handling. The hydraulic lever, controlled by a gear at its end, manages the valve's opening and closing. This alignment allows precise control over the lift of the pipe bender by turning the valve slightly. The Fkns Hydraulic Pipe Bender proves to be a reliable and user-friendly tool for precise and efficient copper pipe bending tasks. Number 4. The Joyway Copper Pipe Tube Expander, priced at $16.99, stands out as a reliable tool for expanding copper pipes across various diameters, including 4 mm, 6 mm, 1/4 inch, 7.5mm, 5/16 inch, 10mm, 3/8 inch, 13.5mm, 15mm, 17mm, 18mm, and 22mm, 7/8 inch. This broad range of applications makes it versatile for tasks involving refrigerators, air conditioners, freezers, and other refrigeration equipment maintenance. Constructed from heavy-duty alloy materials, this expander is robust, solid, and durable, ensuring a long lifespan. Its design simplifies the brass pipe expanding process with a straightforward structure. The user-friendly operation requires only a gentle press on the handle, which automatically resets the package upon release, providing convenient and exact expanding results. The hinge design adds stability to the operation by preventing the swing of the handle. The tool is not only convenient but also lightweight, featuring a spring design that enhances its overall efficiency. The Joyway's copper pipe tube expander proves to be a valuable and durable asset for professionals and DIY enthusiasts involved in various refrigeration equipment maintenance tasks. Number 5. The COCO PVC Pipe Reamer is a versatile tool designed for reaming Schedule 40 PVC pipe, CPVC, and ABS ventilation pipe, drain pipe, and water pipe. It comes with 1.5 inches and 2 inches guide discs, making it suitable for a range of applications. However, it's important to note that this reamer is not compatible with Schedule 80 pipe. Crafted with high-quality materials, the reamer features a fabricated aluminum alloy body with a hex-shaped, stainless steel hex key shaft. This construction ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for various pipe reaming tasks. The square carbide insert is a key feature of the COCO PVC pipe reamer, providing a cutting surface that can be turned 90 degrees for a new cutting surface before use. This feature enhances the tool's efficiency and extends its lifespan. The design of the 0.315-inch hex key shaft allows compatibility with standard drills, cordless drills, or impact drills. This versatility makes it easy to integrate the reamer into existing tool setups, offering convenience and flexibility for users. In summary, the COCO PVC pipe reamer is a high-quality and versatile tool suitable for a variety of pipe reaming applications. Its durable construction, square carbide insert, and compatibility with different drills make it a valuable asset for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 6. The rigid 31030 heavy-duty straight pipe wrench, priced at $74.97, is a reliable and robust tool designed for heavy-duty plumbing jobs. With a 24-inch length, it is crafted with a durable ductile iron housing and I-beam handle, ensuring it can withstand rugged and daily use on the job site. Featuring a full floating forged hook jaw, this wrench provides a firm grip and allows for quick adjustments, enhancing efficiency during tasks. The self-cleaning threads add to the tool's convenience, with easily replaceable hook and heel jaws. Suitable for all forms of pipe work, the rigid 31030 is particularly ideal for pipe diameters ranging from 1.5 inch to 2.5 inch, boasting a substantial pipe capacity of 3 inch. This versatility makes it a valuable asset for professionals tackling various plumbing applications. Designed with a bright red-colored handle, this wrench stands out for easy location in tool cases, adding a practical touch to its user-friendly features. Overall, the rigid 31030 heavy-duty straight pipe wrench is a durable and efficient tool that meets the demands of heavy-duty plumbing work, offering reliable performance for professionals in the field.
Number 7. The Superior Tool 03876 Pro Handle and Sleeve Puller, priced at $14.98, is a versatile and practical tool designed for various plumbing tasks. Specifically useful for removing angle-stop compression sleeves on water supply lines and stubborn faucet handles, this plumber's pal kit is up for the challenge. Featuring a patented ferrule barrel design, the tool excels at removing tough compression sleeves that may have corroded and become stuck on pipes over the years. The heavy-duty design ensures effectiveness in tackling even the most stubborn faucet handles, offering a two-in-one solution that eliminates user frustration. The superior tool puller kit is not limited to faucet handles. It also assists in the removal of compression rings, ferrules, compression sleeves, olives, copper rings, and fittings. This broad functionality makes it an invaluable asset for plumbers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Priced competitively at $14.98, this tool provides an affordable solution for common plumbing challenges. Its durable construction and multifunctional design make it a reliable choice for those in need of a versatile and effective handle and sleeve puller for various applications. Number 7. Priced at $97.97, the Populo 20-volt electric drain snake is an easy-to-use and versatile tool for unclogging drains. Multiple instructional videos guide users through specific scenarios, such as unclogging toilets. The 7.5mm flexible cable and 20-volt battery are interchangeable and available for purchase on Amazon. The lithium-ion 20-volt max battery with a 2.0 Ah capacity ensures a longer runtime, and its cordless design provides freedom of movement. Variable speed, with a maximum of 560 revolutions per minute, caters to different projects, and a battery level indicator aids in monitoring power. The all-in-one solution includes a 25 featuring flexible cable, suitable for drains from 3/4 inch to 2 inches wide. The ergonomic design features rubberized grip handles for comfort, and a built-in LED work light enhances visibility. Number 9. The IBOSAD Copper Tube Fittings Hydraulic Pipe Crimping Tool, priced at $158.89, is a specialized and efficient tool designed for narrow spaces and T-fittings. It is suitable for crimping copper pipes with diameters of 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. The tool's body is constructed from durable aluminum alloy, effectively preventing oil leakage and ensuring a reliable performance. A notable feature is the 350-degree rotatable head, providing versatility for use in various positions and making it portable for different applications. This flexibility allows users to navigate challenging spaces with ease. Additionally, the IBOSAD crimping tool is compatible with popular copper pipe fittings such as Viega Copper, ProPress, Elkhart, and Conex pipe fittings. This compatibility enhances its utility and makes it a valuable tool for professionals working with diverse pipe fitting systems. Priced at $158.89, this hydraulic crimping tool offers a durable and versatile solution for those working in confined spaces or dealing with T-fittings, providing a reliable and efficient means of crimping copper pipes. Number 10. The Wicked Professional ID Copper Pipe Fitting Cleaner Wire Bore Replacement Brushes, priced at $11.99, are a convenient and efficient solution for maintaining residential copper plumbing pipe fittings. Designed as OEM replacement ID brushes, these brushes offer easy and quick replacement for worn-out brushes, taking only minutes to install. These replacement brushes are specifically crafted for use in residential settings, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with copper plumbing pipe fittings commonly found in homes. The brushes provide a reliable and cost-effective way to refresh and maintain the cleanliness of the inner diameter of copper pipe fittings, promoting smooth and efficient plumbing operations. Priced affordably at $11.99, the Wicked Professional ID Copper Pipe Fitting Cleaner Wire Bore Replacement Brushes offer a practical and user-friendly solution for homeowners and professionals looking to keep their copper plumbing systems in excellent condition.